guys. On this occasion I will give tutorial on how to remove broken bolts, bolt switches in gear or in standard or that. Other few tips for me. And no need use a lathe, which should be rather expensive. When I tightened it, maybe it tilted or something. It suddenly broke and I feel really guilty at the workshop owner. It's wrong, okay. Now see how the tips from I watch this video until it's finished. Yes. Prepare tools as sharp as possible or impossible from the fracture. The bolt depends on the fracture. 1. If the fracture is a bit sharp like this, it's still possible to remove it or not using tweezers. Or what's important, it's sharp. Now check this scene. This one has a taper like this. I and try to reassemble it according to the fracture it looks. Like this. Now we turn it slowly or can use the key little by little. While pressing the left and right hands while turning, or can't use any sharp tool. It is more visible and faster. We push it on the left, it looks like little by little. Or not from the bolt, it looks like the thread inside is rotating. You can use a sharp tool again. Try using a sharp screwdriver because it's starting to look now. Press it while it's starting to appear. Just use a screwdriver. Delicious easier. turned slowly, starting to look. Here. Now we just have to buy or replace new bolts. This is the brake and we don't need to damage the threads that are inside. No need for battle if the language of the workshop is the language of the workshop, and no need to use a lathe because it is expensive and consuming a lot of time. Okay, that's all from me. Hopefully this video is useful. Please press the subscribe button and comment a Poppy. He has a weakness for me.